Your status is a way to communicate with others your availability. Teams now allows you to set a duration for your status. The new status duration allows you to set a certain status for a specific period of time. Here's how you can set the duration. Select your profile picture, then select your current status, and then select duration. Under Status, select the status you want to show going forward. For example, Do Not Disturb will prevent incoming calls and chats from interrupting an important meeting. Under Reset Status After, select the amount of time you want the status to last. This list of options includes 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, today, and this week. Or if none of the suggested time frames work for you, you can select Custom under Reset Status After and enter the date and time manually. When finished, select Done. At the end of the time period you entered, Teams will automatically reset your status based on your activity, your calendar, and the state of your computer.